In the quiet town of Rivertown, two best friends, Leo and Mia, loved exploring old places in search of forgotten treasures. One weekend, they decided to visit a junkyard on the outskirts of town, a place piled high with scrap metal, old machines, and dusty gadgets. As they wandered through the heaps of discarded parts, Mia noticed a small robot buried beneath metal scraps. She pulled it out and dusted it off. It was a rusty, square-shaped robot with wires sticking out, and its eyes flickered faintly. "Poor thing," Mia murmured, touching its metal hand gently. Suddenly, she heard a faint voice, "Help, help us." Mia gasped and looked at Leo. "Did you hear that?" she asked. But Leo only looked confused. "No, hear what?" he replied, scratching his head. Realizing that she was the only one who could hear the robot, Mia leaned closer. "I can hear you," she whispered. "What happened?" The robot's weak voice explained that he wasn't alone. There were other robots scattered in the junkyard, left to rust and break apart. "We used to help people in the town," he said, "but when we got too old or broke down, they threw us away." Leo couldn't hear the robot's words, but he trusted Mia's determination. "Let's do something," he said with a grin. For the next few days, Mia and Leo worked tirelessly, gathering parts and tools from around the junkyard to repair the robots. Mia found she could understand each robot's thoughts, hearing their stories of the past and their hopes to be useful again. Leo helped her assemble, fix, and polish each robot they could find. Together, they gave the robots a second chance, one by one, until the entire group of junkyard robots was restored. When they finished, the robots gathered around, their lights blinking in gratitude. "Thank you, Mia and Leo," said the first robot. "You showed us kindness when the world forgot about us." The robots returned to town, surprising everyone with their repaired abilities. From then on, the townspeople took care of the robots, grateful for their hard work. Leo and Mia felt proud, knowing they had saved their new friends from being lost forever. Moral of the story: true friendship and kindness can restore forgotten things and help others feel valued. Sometimes, it only takes a caring heart to make a big difference.